wasn't working. So then we have to buy a new one. So of course we cannot do unboxing with this keto because it didn't come with a box when we bought this one. It was the last one on the shelf. So we had discounted price when we bought this one yesterday. So of course, as you can see, it has water already. It has been used. We really need to use it today, so it's not gonna be part of our unboxing. But if you can see our LG microwave, so it's still in the box, and that's the one we are going to do unboxing. Okay. Okay, my hubby is going to do the unboxing.
You better move it to there so I can put it over here.
Okay, here it is now. Alright, that's only a styrofoam.
Can.
You need a hand.
Yes, can. Some.
Can you help Dad, please?
Can you pop that side? You lift. We're going down the ground, darling.
Hang on.
Hang on.
I'll hold him up. Okay. Here it is. I can see myself. It's a glass. So I can mirror myself in here. Okay, so this is the inside. Okay, darling, alright. Yes, and there's the booklet that my husband is been looking. There's the other part of the microwave. Yep, just put it in. Okay. Here's the warranty card, and we also have here the manual. Okay, so we're gonna get through with this, so we know what we are doing. It says it has 2 years parts and labor. So it's 2-year warranty. Manual. So of course it contains what to do. Procedure, how to use it. Warning. Caution. Okay, so these are the parts. So we get the glass tray, the rotating ring, turntable chef, control panel, okay. So now I'm showing you the inside of this microwave. So everything has been set up. So this is the glass tray. And this is the rotating ring. And this part is called turntable shaft. Okay, so we're going to put them back. Yeah. I'll do fix that one anyway. This is the control panel. So it depends what you're going to do. If you want to do defrost some meat like chicken or pork, so you can do the settings in this control panels in here. Of course, you get your timer in here too. Okay. So we are going to try using the microwave. Okay, so what to do now, darling? Testing. So this microwave, its brand of course is LG. It's LG Neochef 42-liter O2 sensor microwave oven in black color.